I remember having observed this in a place where I was doing my ministry as a priest. There was one family, they were very poor, but the mother and father, they could not afford many things, but they were always encouraging the children. And the children were doing very well in school. On the other hand, I saw another family, very well off, highly qualified. All the time, their child was on demand. Do this, do that, you have to come first, you have to do this. The child was simply not able to do anything. What happened? In one place, there was a lot of encouragement. In the other place, there was discouragement. What kind of encouragement is it to tell the person, you have to do this? That is not in your control. But you have to give your 100%, that you can encourage the person.